Hello everybody, welcome to another video tutorial. On this video tutorial we're going to be working on my website so you can kind of get familiar with the tools and understand that you are able to create high quality websites using Website X5. Okay, so another thing I wanted to point out that I haven't pointed out in the previous videos is how easy Website X5 makes it for us to add text to our website, images for our website, tables, flash animations, videos, and so on. Okay, because we don't have to add any type of code. Okay, and another thing I sometimes would imagine is how stressful it would be to have to write code every time I wanted to add text or just a simple image into our website. Okay, so that's another thing why Website X5 is so incredibly awesome. So let's get started. Okay, on this tutorial we're gonna be going over the alignment tool. Okay, and what this tool allows us to do is to align our objects, and just like I'm going to show you in the tutorial that I'm going to go over. Okay, so let's go ahead and click in our table in order to access it. And let's go ahead and write cars. Over here let's go ahead and write price. Over here let's write product. Okay, and over here we're gonna write color. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and test this. Okay, and you are able to see how our tables are centered, and maybe sometimes we would want to be able to work with them while they're aligned to the left or aligned to the right. I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? Because personally I sometimes have some trouble when I didn't know what the tool works for in aligning my own cells. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how we can do this to align it to the left. All we have to do is simply, before we enter it, we have to tell Website X5 that we want it aligned to the left by clicking right here and making sure it says left. Maybe we want it aligned to the center, to the bottom, to the right. Okay, but now let's go ahead and test this. Now you are able to see how our cell is aligned all the way to the left. Okay, very simple. Okay, now we can also align it to the right. Maybe you want to be able to work with it when it's aligned to the right. Okay, it's very simple to do, very simple to go over. And once we're done with the introduction of our tools, we're going to be going over the objects so you can understand how to work with them and what cool features Website X5 has for us to work with. Okay, so go ahead and play with the alignment tool a little bit, get familiar with it. Now that you understand what it works for, sometimes we see the tool and because we don't know what they work for, we just don't pay attention and we never even bother to even click on it. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Go ahead and keep watching the tutorials below and have a very nice day.